Hey everybody, got a tool haul for you. Just a quickie of what I picked up recently and wanted to show off to you guys. So sit back, relax, and check out this haul. So to start out, we've got this auto truck repair manual, 30th edition. So this one is copyright 1977. Here's the ISBN number, but this manual's kind of cool. It's got all kinds of different exploded images, diagrams, just really cool. Just the detail. Just the detail is pretty cool. So yeah, so this is a cool book. The book was $4.50. I couldn't pass it up. Found another quick wedge screwdriver. Yeah, this is a quick wedge. Yeah. Here is a green quick wedge. Found a Peen's Core Phillips, like a number 1. Handyman just a Stanley flat. A Stanley Defiance screwdriver, flat blade. Super rare international flat blade screwdriver. This thing is awesome. Here is our little Exolite. I have a few of these. Another Handyman. An ever so popular SK Tools flat blade. We found a clutch drive, and this is an Ace Hardware from the Ace Hardware collection. I'll have to show you my collection of Ace Hardware screwdrivers again. Found this Safeway strap cutter. Sun's starting to move around. Now it's starting to get kind of hot. Safeway strap cutter. Trying to stay in the shade because the sun's pretty dang hot. Safeway strap cutter, Kongsberg, Norway. And finally, a twisty screwdriver. I have some of these as well in a collection. Okay, and for the wrenches, I've got this hex ratchet. Here we've got a Giller 3/4 by 5/8 model 2120. We've got this 9/16 by 1/2 inch 2116. And finally a 2112 3/8 by 7/8 Giller little set. Little mini set. Here we have this is a Velcheck. W2426. Three-quarter by 13/16. A Wild 3/8 by 5/16. A Proto Los Angeles 3/8 by 7/8 by 7/16. The Bonney 1727 5/8 by 9/16. We found another McKay and Hatch. This one's a 5/8 by 3/4. Kind of rough, but found a Red Devil scraper, number 50, for $1.50. Snap-on F281 3/8 drive 7/8. It also came on this socket rail, which is a Sears and Roebuck for 3/8. And on here we've got a Proto Challenger 11/16. Proto Challenger 5/8. A Proto Los Angeles 1/2 inch. Here is a Proto just USA 7/16. Another Snap-on. This one's 5/16. Snap-on. Not sure the 1/4 inch. Williams. 7/16 little wobble ratchet or wobble socket, and finally a Cobalt 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter. So here is my quick little tool haul for the week. There you go. So what'd you think of that tool haul? So yeah, it's been pretty hot. Haven't really had much time to do a whole lot of anything, but I found some good stuff. So tell me if you liked anything in particular or wanted any information on anything I've got. So otherwise, stay safe and we will catch you later. Check you later.